Hey everybody, Dave Forehand with the Dallas Arboretum. I'm here in Kaleidoscope at the Roy Meyers Children's Adventure Garden, and we're taking a look at a really cool little plant. This is called Bulbine frutescens, or just bulbine, and it's a succulent plant that's native to the region of South Africa, but does really well as a plant for us here in Central and North Texas as well. Very drought tolerant. Bulbine just means basically that it's full of moisture. It's growing like a giant bulbous plant. It has these gorgeous spikes. This is a little mini tangerine variety. It comes in other colors as well, but it'll spread, you see, out pretty much into an area. It doesn't get too out of control. We've also got some in the container here, so you can get a pretty good look at that and see all the stem kind of grows. I guess you could describe it almost like a bunch of onions. Thick stems with the flowers, but again, you want to keep it as dry as you can. You do not want this in a super wet spot because it doesn't like that. So for most of us, that won't be a problem through most of the summer. Again, it's Bulbine frutescens. It's a really good, beautiful flowering plant for a bed at your yard. It needs full sun as well.